Hello and welcome back to the Shop channel, where we simplify Odoo for you. In today's video, we dive into artificial intelligence in Odoo 19 CRM. With this new feature, you can create AI-powered fields, enrich your opportunities, analyze customer data more effectively, and even automate tasks that used to take a lot of manual effort. The goal is simple: help sales teams work smarter, save valuable time, and focus on building stronger customer relationships. So let's jump into Odoo and see it in action.
Let's start inside the CRM app. I'll open up a random opportunity here. At the top bar, you'll notice a new AI button. Clicking it opens an AI panel where you can chat directly about this document. Because it's connected to your opportunity, the AI already knows the context. For example, you can ask it to summarize the chatter in just a few lines, or you can request a follow-up suggestion to move the opportunity forward. Within a few seconds, the AI generates a clear, professional message that's ready to use. All I need to do is click Send as Message. Of course, I can still edit or personalize it if you'd like. Once everything looks good, I just hit Send, and the message goes straight to the customer. This makes it so much easier to stay on top of deals without scrolling through long histories or switching between tools. In our previous video, we already covered AI agents in detail, how to configure them, connect your API key, and so on. If you missed it, I'll leave the link in the description below. Now, one of the most exciting features is the ability to create AI-powered fields directly in your CRM, or really in any other module. AI fields in Odoo 19 behave just like custom fields. You can add them to leads or opportunities without writing a single line of code. The difference is that instead of being filled manually, these fields are powered by an AI prompt. There are two ways to create them. Let's start with Studio. Click the Studio icon in the top right corner. This opens Odoo Studio, where you can add different fields, including AI fields. Let's drag and drop an AI field onto the form. Imagine you want to know how well a company matches your product. Instead of doing the research yourself, we'll create a field called Ideal Customer Fit. Here's the prompt I'll use. Evaluate how well company matches our ideal customer profile, give a score from 1 to 10, and a short explanation. Now to make this dynamic, I don't just type the company name into the prompt. Instead, I type a / inside the prompt, then select the company name field from the dropdown and click Insert. That way, Odoo automatically pulls the real company name from the opportunity record every time the AI runs the prompt. This makes the field reusable across all leads and opportunities, without me having to edit the text manually each time. Once I add the field, rename it, and exit Studio, I can simply click on it. Odoo evaluates the company and gives me both a score and a reason. This helps sales teams prioritize leads without the guesswork. Another useful case is adding a recent news field, for example. For this one, we'll use the second method, editing properties. Click the gear icon in the top left, then select Edit Properties. I'll create a new field called Recent News. Next, enable the AI checkbox and add a prompt like summarize the latest news articles about / company name in the last 6 months. Focus on product launches, expansions, or major announcements. Limit to 3 sentences. Now let's test it. Instead of opening Google and scanning multiple articles, sales reps can instantly see the latest updates about the company right inside Odoo. The real value comes when you combine multiple AI fields. Together, they turn a simple lead record into a rich sales dossier without manual work. And they are flexible too. You can refresh the AI field anytime for updated results, and you can also adjust prompts if you want the output to be more formal, shorter, or more detailed. Beyond AI agents and AI fields, there is also the AI probability feature. This shows the likelihood of winning a lead based on your past performance. If you want more details, just click, and Odoo explains what factors increase or decrease the probability. Let's take another opportunity as an example. Right now, the probability is low because the opportunity is still in a new stage, the company doesn't have a valid phone number, and the source is a generic search engine. However, if I move it to the qualified stage and refresh, the chances increase immediately. This gives sales teams clear, data-driven insights into where to focus their efforts. And that's just the start. There are many other ways to use AI in CRM. For example, AI-powered email templates for personalized communication, AI in live chat, where agents qualify leads automatically, or even survey integration, where responses can create new leads directly in CRM. We will cover this in upcoming videos, so make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. That's it for today's video. We've seen how artificial intelligence is transforming Odoo 19 CRM, from smart AI fields to predictive insights. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, and I'll see you in the next one.